The Vietnamese Communist Party has acknowledged the resignation of President Vo Van Thuong, a move that signals potential political upheaval and could unsettle foreign investors' confidence in the country. In a statement issued on Wednesday, the government cited violations of party rules by Thuong, noting that these actions had negatively affected public perception and tarnished the reputation of both the party and the state. The Central Party Committee, the paramount decision-making body in Vietnam's Communist Party-led governance, endorsed Thuong's resignation approximately a year following his election. Although the president primarily holds a ceremonial role, it remains one of the highest-ranking political positions in the Southeast Asian nation. Despite attempts to contact the presidential office, no response was received. The committee's decision preceded an extraordinary session of Vietnam's rubber-stamp parliament slated for Thursday, during which deputies are expected to ratify the party's resolutions. While the government statement did not delve into specifics regarding Thuong's transgressions, recent leadership shakeups in the one-party state have often been associated with the extensive Blazing Furnace anti-corruption campaign. This campaign, aimed at combating widespread corruption, has been criticized by some as a tool for internal political struggles. Foreign investors and diplomats have raised concerns about the campaign's impact on decision-making processes, exacerbating the country's already cumbersome bureaucracy. Thuong's resignation at the age of 53 follows the recent arrest for alleged corruption dating back a decade of a former provincial head from central Vietnam's Quang Ngai province. The individual served during Thuong's tenure as the party chief there. Thuong's previous roles as a senior party official in Ho Chi Minh City, currently embroiled in a massive financial scandal, further underscored the complexities of his resignation. He was often associated with General Secretary Nguyen Phu Trong, Vietnam's preeminent figure and the principal architect of the anti-corruption campaign. The swift appointment of Thuong as president last year following the resignation of former president Nguyen Xuan Phuc due to party censure may provide a blueprint for resolving the current political crisis. However, concerns linger that recurrent leadership reshuffles could negatively impact business sentiment in a nation heavily reliant on foreign investment.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.